Okay, my name is Jillian Coleman and I'm graduating in Business Management Applications today. I live in Kinsale and work in a manufacturing company called ATU Graphics. Back in 2016 I was working in the customer service department and I felt I wanted to progress further. I was given an opportunity to work with our plant manager, and I knew then that I wanted to focus more on management as opposed to customer service. So I started researching colleges that I could go and learn from home. Going to college 3 times a week wasn't an option with a family and full-time job, etc. So I found this course and it was one for me. The first course I started off with was a higher certificate in business, and we covered finance, HR, computer applications. Studying online suited me because the lectures are recorded. I did try to look at them live because when you interact with the lecturers and the other students, you do tend to gain more. But if you can't make a lecture for whatever reason, you can look at it at the weekend or whenever it suits you. Even when I was revising, I used to re-watch lectures that I was struggling with, and I found that a great plus actually. I really did.